In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you issue. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so before we start, we need to understand why this happened. So Facebook may restrict marketplace access for several different reasons. Now, these can be your account is new or not verified, you've violated Facebook policies, you're under 18 years of age, you're in a region where marketplace isn't supported, you're using an outdated app, or there could be a temporary bug or cache issues. Now, here are some of the basic fixes. So fix number one is obviously make sure you're over 18, and then we want to go ahead and log into your main Facebook account, not a new or suspicious one. Then from here, actually open up a web browser and go to facebook.com/marketplace and hit enter. If it says not available, try it on another device or browser. Fix number two is to update the app. So to do this, go ahead and long click on Facebook, or we can search in our Play or App Store, click on I, scroll down, show app details in store, and go ahead and update the application. Fix number three is to clear the cache. So to do this is right click, hold Facebook app down, click onto the I for app info, scroll down, click on the storage, click on the clear cache. Fix number three is open up Facebook and then click onto your profile. Then we want to scroll down and then click into settings and privacy, and then scroll down and look for language, and now choose a language that you speak. So choose English, for example, for myself, or for you Dutch, Italian, etc. Now the last fix here, if it's a new account, we just simply need to wait it out. So if your Facebook account is new, less than 1 month old, Facebook Marketplace access may take some time. So usually Facebook normally waits for a while for posting, commenting, verifying your identity. After that, you're going to have access to the marketplace.